taking pictures and taking video.
Oh, drunk pictures and high videos.
If you're not
We should
in it,
just say Corey jacked.
if you're not willing, how about we don't touch the phone?
Oh, if they're dirty pictures.
If you're not in it for love, if you're not in it for love, it's clear to you, my dear. Not in it for love, I'm out of here. So, what's our plan tonight? Get drunk! Get drunk!
Not just any drunk, gunfighter drunk.
Gunfighter drunk, oh yeah!
Getting slithered.
Where's that CJ kid? He's in the bathroom. Two ladies. Oh my god.
Wrong bathroom.
Where's he going?
David.
That bathroom. This is my lesbian lover. Yeah, it is. We're hot together. It's not really big. It's actually a big deal. John, can you take this?
What am I doing?
Recording.
Is it still recording or do I gotta?
My girlfriend.
Is it still going? Still going.
We love each other. Yeah, we do. So we just bought some shots and they're going to be John Deere shots. They look like death, but we're going to do them. It's going to be awesome.
Everyone ready? Wait, am I in on this?
Yeah, you are.
Don't get it on your hands whatever you do.
Cheers, cheers it.
It's sticky.
Cheers it. Cheers it up. Cheers, get drunk. Woo.
Like a ball.
Holy shit. That is shit on my ass. Oh god, I'm so nervous.
Steph, hit her in the forehead.
I'm not gonna hit her in the forehead.
Wow.
CJ,
Go, hold on.
This is gonna fucking
I'm recording
suck.
this. I'm recording this.
That's the forehead.
Hold on.
I'm not gonna hit her in the forehead.
Where are you hitting her then?
John, what the fuck? Okay, you ready?
I'm recording.
You ready? Just go for it.
Grab the stacker. Grab the stacker.
Wow. She just hit her. She just hit her.
Oh, you knocked me in the fucking ear.
Dude, she just hit her.
Holy fuck.
That was a hard fucking hit.
Dude, I heard that.
Second. I missed it. Let's see it again.
You'll see in a second.